Thanks for that. As I start with MP, so I don't repeat the same speech every time, let me just start with you, but it applies to all of you. First of all, the whole team, and I know it was a joint team but led by airmen, the whole team, as you know better than anyone, had a terrific and an important positive impact on this community. This community, like so many others, here in the Western Hemisphere, which is part of a home that we all share as Americans. And so the extra effort that you've done, and I know your boss and your supervisors have singled you out, but the whole team that was part of this large 3-month exercise, New Horizons Panama, the whole team has made a very positive impact on the lives of the people in these communities, so you can be very, very proud of that. My guess is that it has also had an impact on your lives, as you see the positive things that we, as part of the United States Armed Forces, in this room, we as airmen, but it was part of a joint team, that we are able to do to reach out and assist our friends, in fact our family, that, as I said before, shares this home of the Americas. So I know the great work of the whole team over the last 3 months, and for your supervisors, for your commander to identify you as some of the very top performers means to me that you've really gone above and beyond to show what the United States can do when we work side by side with our hosts. And it's just a very small token of my appreciation to each of you. And we learned a little bit about what MP has done, but I want to make sure I understand each of your contributions as I walk down the line. To each of you, it's really my honor to give you just a small token of my appreciation, to give you my coin. And I hope that you'll keep it close. Again, thanks to all of you, and thanks to the whole team, the whole New Horizons Panama team. As I said at the front, what you've done has really put a positive impact on the lives of our friends, our neighbors, our family here in the Americas, here in Panama. So thanks very much for what you guys have done. Round of applause for all of you.